Here it is, Blueprint 383 stroker. You can see. Anyway, here's all that stuff. And yeah, got her stabbed in there. Bell housing bolted up. I don't have a flex plate bolted to the torque converter yet, or the bolts tightened down on the motor mounts, but it's in. And I'm done for today. I've been working this all day long. But yeah, man, it looks good. Matches my truck. The paint scheme does. Oh yeah. But yeah, can't wait. Gotta go work this weekend, so we'll be sitting here for now for a few days, and I'll get it back together hopefully Monday or Tuesday at the latest. I'll be firing her up. But yeah. Hang on. I got some dyno sheets.
And you look at it beat now as the way he's playing, but as someone pointed out, he's been a couple of years, and that's not necessarily a change for you.
Alright. Let's take a look at this. You see 450. We're above 450 on torque, right below 450 on horsepower. Let's see here. Horsepower 448. Yeah, 448.5 at 5,800 RPM. So peak horsepower. Peak torque is 459.4 at 4,700 RPM. So be a fun little street motor. And they're advertised at 430 horse, and I always heard they put out more power, is what they say. So that don't hurt my feelings none. But yeah. Hopefully, see, today is Thursday. I go work Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I might start on it Sunday evening, but probably won't get fired up then, especially that late in the evening, go up to 7. So be Monday or Tuesday at the latest. Sure, next weekend for sure will be running. So anyway. See y'all later.